teach you how to do an App Inventor app called My Piano. It's an app where you can see a piano. When you press one of the notes, it will make a sound. Let's get started. Open a new project called My Piano. First, we will design the layout. A piano is quite long, so we want the iPhone to tilt. How do we do this? Go to Screen 1, Properties. Scroll down until you see Screen Orientation. Set it from Unspecified to Landscape. Now this is what I call great. Now let's get started with the layout. Go to Layout from the palette. Drag out a horizontal arrangement. Set the height to 50% and the width to fill parent. So let's get started with our first note. Drag a button out and set it onto the horizontal arrangement. We'll name it a C note. So first, we want to set the height and width. So set the height to 10%. No, set the height to fill parent and the width to 10%. There you go. We'll soon have other notes lined above here. So we'll do this for now. Of course, we'll set the text. Set the text to C, so we know it's a C note. Lastly, set the background color. We also will need a player. And in media, we have to upload a sound. C note. We have to upload a file, choose a file here, and click OK. So let's get started with the code. First, when the C note will be clicked, we have to use the C note when C note click from the blocks palette. So when C note click, what do we want it to do? Of course, it will make a sound. But where do we get the sound? From a player, of course. Go back to the designer and drag out from media a player in the Padlet. We'll rename it Note Player. There we go. Go back to blocks. Click Note Player. Set Note Player source to your music. And then we can start. Go to Note Player and call Note Player Start and snap it below. There you go. Now you have your first line of code. It runs perfectly. Now finally, you can add some more buttons from the user interface. Do the exact same with the C note. We'll have D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. Well, that's all for today. This will be your final product. I hope you had fun. Goodbye.